Puzzled why some emails go to spam and some go to the inbox? Well, it's all about email deliverability rate. But what affects this and how can you have a higher one? Stick around to find out. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. The first factor that plays a significant role is the number of spam complaints you receive. If many recipients mark your email as spam, then your future emails could end up in the spam folder. The second factor is the content of the actual email. Too many links, attachments, or certain spammy words can trigger spam filters. To navigate these pitfalls, check your email spam rate using tools like Mailtrap email testing, which offers a handy spam checker feature. The third factor is the volume of emails sent within a particular time frame. If you're sending thousands of emails simultaneously, some may bounce back or get blocked. Lastly, the email infrastructure used to send emails can also make a difference. Using an unreliable email service provider with a poor reputation jeopardizes your deliverability. You can avoid many email deliverability issues by properly tracking and making the necessary improvements, like authenticating your account with all the DNS records and routinely cleaning and segmenting your email list. A deliverability rate between 85 to 95% is your ideal target. And that's our quick dive into email deliverability rate and what affects it. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place.